Okay. I have a story about a clown. And that clown was a very happy clown. And he had a lot of fun. It was the day my family took us to the circus. We got to see the circus. And on top of that, the circus was so much fun. Well, anyways, why don't we start our story with the little clown? La 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 la. I'm going to a circus. Circus. Silly me. I'm okay. La 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 la. Hey, boing 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 boing. This is a Joseph man. This time is for the clown. Beep beep. Honk honk. Beep beep. Honk honk. Bah. Nay. Ruff ruff. Meow. Moo. Nay. Meow. Little clown. That little clown was just so strange. Not a lot of us knew how strange he really was until we went to go see this clown to try to perform his wonderful, silly, weird jokes. Silly, weird noises. What's a horse eating a crown? Ha! It's a horse and a crown. Ha 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 ha. And what's a king eating his crown? Ah! He is in his stomach. Now, what a bear is eating a hat and clothes and makeup. It's eating everything. Ha 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 ha. Now you can go back to the piggy. Okay, I did say his jokes were strange. Made no sense to me. Really. Pig and everything eating everything.
No.
Come.
A bear.
A bear. Really? That was a bear? Oh. Sorry about that, folks. I guess I got corrected. It was a bear eating it. Makes no sense still. Anyhow. The story goes that this clown finally started learning how to maybe tell jokes right. And actually make people laugh and smile. Not angry. Or looking at him like he's a weirdo. Goofy goof goo. Bang. Okay. Okay, our long story is coming to an end, but our clown's still very silly. I guess we wouldn't have it any other way. So, let's go talk to Mr. Clown. Mr. Clown, where are you?
I'm over here.
Where? Oh, you're that way.
I'm this way.
Okay.
So why did you need me?
Mr. Clown, because we need you for a reason. And, Mr. Clown, you are very funny. I was wrong about you. And you did make me laugh with your silly goofiness. I enjoyed it a lot better than rude things and rude comments. Thank you, Mr. Clown, for making me laugh.
Well, you're welcome. Do you want to hear any more some of my jokes?
That's okay.
What's hold on. What is a human doing on a crocodile and a pony?
Don't know.
And they're riding them. Ha 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 ha. Now,
Any more jokes?
yes. What's a statue moving its head?
Don't know.
It's alive.
Well, Mr. Clown, thank you for making me laugh, Mr. Clown. Okay. Well, everybody, I guess this is the end of our funny story. And I'm glad at the end of this little short, brief type of story. Well, I don't call it that much of a story. We were just playing around and enjoying ourselves, actually. Okay, everybody. I have to say goodbye. And say good night.